Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Morning, welcome to SkilletSkills.com. I'm Chef Ron. Today we have a big treat, crawfish etouffee. We decided to make some for lunch, and I'm going to show you the process. It's a pretty simple dish. Out of all the things you can do with Cajun food, this might be the easiest. It also might be the best tasting. So very simple dish, very delicious, very easy to make. Let's get started. Okay, so look at simple ingredients for this. Get started with crawfish etouffee. You're going to need crawfish tails. They come in 8-ounce packages. You can buy them in the frozen section of the seafood of your grocery store. I think for you to feed 4 people, get 2 packages. So crawfish tails are already peeled, everything deveined. Then you're going to need some green onion, and you'll need some black pepper, some crushed red pepper, and some kosher salt. So go ahead and get the burner on and get the pan heated up first. I put some oil, and again I use olive oil in all these Cajun and Asian dishes, Italian dishes. All right, let's get started. You want to start off, add some minced garlic in there. Add a little bit of these onions. I mean, it's just this simple, folks. Put the crawfish in. And this dish does call for some cubes of butter. You don't have to put too much, but there should be enough there. A little crushed red pepper, not too much. Maybe 3 pinches of kosher salt and some pepper. Just pretty much to your taste. There's no exact science to that. Alright, pretty much you get a little tablespoon of cornstarch. This be what you'd want to use, something like that. And you put the tablespoon of cornstarch in here and then fill it to the top with water. But remember that it settles to the bottom. It kind of, like I said before, galvanizes, and you must release it like this. Now you see the liquid boiling. You pour this in, and it's going to be ready.